In today's video, I'll teach you how to change your address on eBay. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in ebay.com, press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of eBay. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now over here at top, you'll be able to see your account name. If you hover over it, you'll be able to see your profile over here. Along with that, you'll be able to find this option for account settings. What you have to do is click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the account settings interface. Over here you'll be able to find the options for activity, messages and account. Make sure account option is selected. Now once the account option is selected, under the section for personal info you'll be able to find various options over here. At third, you'll be able to find this option for addresses. What you have to do is click on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the addresses interface. You'll be able to see multiple types of addresses over here. You'll be able to see the registration address, shipping address, ship from address, return address, etc. What you have to do is simply click on the edit option right next to the address that you would like to change. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. I've selected the option for registration address over here. If you also did that, scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find this section for address. Click on this option edit that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to edit your address. Along with the address, you'll also be able to edit your first name and last name. If you want to edit your address, you'll be able to edit the country or region, street address 2, city, state, province or region and zip code. So simply click on the field of country or region. Now what you have to do is select the country or region of your choice. Now if you want to edit the street address, click on the field of street address and erase it. Now what you have to do is enter the new address over here. Now once you enter the new address, also make sure to enter the city, state or province or region and zip code over here. Now after you do that, click on this option save that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your address has been updated successfully. So like this you'll be able to change it. So that is how you change your address on eBay. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.